Hi, hi everyone. I am Jitendra Chok. We are running a company named Fab India, and we are into manufacturing of aluminium frames and other miscellaneous structures in India. And this is basically a journey with Jindal Aluminium. I just wanted to tell, in 2006, we have seen some aluminium trends in India, and I was very curious to see what kind of structure is this. And being I'm a passionate for structures, and I thought let us make this in India. Then it was very difficult to make out that in India, because that I came to know the structure was imported from Germany. And then I kept on searching. I came to know that nobody in India is manufacturing this kind of profiles in aluminium, and can't be done. Nobody has done this kind of structures in India. Then honestly, I tried to get that profiles aluminium from Germany, but it was very tough journey. I invested almost 8-9 months searching that kind of profiles. Then I came to know that this kind of profiles are developed by some German company, specifically for their own structure. They were specifically developed by some pioneer company. So, but thing was came into mind. I just wanted to make that, make that. So then I approached Jindal Aluminium. This story started in 2006. And when I came to Jindal and I discussed with them that we want to make this kind of profile, he called me up to Bangalore, and I discussed with the technical team. And the technical team took the challenge that we can do this in India. So then we made a whole profile what is being used for aluminium tanks in India from last 17-18 years. Like I started the journey. First profile we made, and we successfully made a tank structure of 15 meter span. So 15 meter span, if I talk about now, is very small span, but that was initiated with the help of Jindal in 2006. So this journey started in 2006, and now in 2023, I can proudly say that we started with 15 meter span. Consistently, we kept on working with Jindal, and Jindal reciprocated in the same manner. Like we worked on the bigger profile, then we made some bigger structure, 30 meter, then we did for 40 meters, then we did for 50 meters. It is not only increasing the size of the profile. This was actually technical working to work out on the alloys, work out on the technical strength, what was actually required and being developed in Germany and other European countries. So I just wanted to meet the specs, and Jindal kept on helping, kept on doing all the exercises, whatever was required to do to make an improvement in the alloys, make an improvement in the strength, then the size consistency. This all happened, and now we are successfully making 60 meter clear span of aluminium structures in India, which is the biggest size ever done in Europe or China, or you can see in any other countries on this world. So this is a journey. Proudly say that in last 17 years, we have successfully delivered more than 16 lakh square meters of aluminium tanks in India, and now we are moving for some exports also in nearby countries, and hope so we will launch some products in European countries also. This business was started in 2006, and as on date we are on the level that we are manufacturing rather I say something better than China, better than other European countries. We are making better profiles, better structures in India with help of Jindal. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jindal.